everybody. It's Billy.
And Sean.
We're free to roam. Hey, welcome back to our channel. If you watched our video last week, you know that we took a little time away from our RV to celebrate our 30th year of being married. And we went to Cabo with friends. Check out this video of the place we stayed in Cabo and how beautiful it is. And
oh, wow.
Yeah. Stay tuned to the end though, because we've got some big news coming your way, some changes to our travels. Enjoy the video. So I don't know if you remember, but there was a huge crash in this tunnel by Green River, Wyoming earlier this spring. The westbound tunnel was actually damaged severely because the explosion took place inside the tunnel. So they've actually got it down to one lane routing you through the eastbound tunnel, everybody. So wide loads have to actually get off the interstate and go around because you can only do legal whip through this tunnel, but crazy.
Hey, what do you say? This whole town could be red by the end of the day. If you feel alright, we could throw it and drive. With the radio up so loud they can hear us from now. Me and you, nothing to do. These days they come and go. Me and you, nothing to lose. I feel it in my soul. So let's let the good times roll. Down, we'll never come down. When the sun comes up, we'll be feeling how we do right now. My heart's on fire, coming down to the wire. While the world sleeps, we'll keep burning brighter.
Okay, so as you can see, we absolutely had a blast in Cabo with our friends Jason and Jennifer from No Sticks, No Bricks, and Clay and Maria from Our Bliss Traveled. Vacationing with friends, I think, is the way to go, don't you, honey? I mean,
you know, we talked about it while we were there. It was really, really nice to get away on an adults trip with people you just enjoy being around and genuinely.
Yeah, we met these amazing people on the road on this lifestyle, and we have developed friendships with them that are going to last a lifetime. I mean, they're honestly our true, good, close friends, and we had a blast. Well, hope you enjoyed the video. I will put links to where we stayed in the description, maybe, so if you're curious, hey, where did we stay, or what resort was that? Stay tuned, though, because we want to tell you there are some changes coming next week to the way we travel. Big surprises coming. I promise you guys we'll get more information out to you, but we're coming
up on our Nomad anniversary, too.
We're coming up on our 1 year Nomad anniversary, and we decided it's time for a change. So Stay tuned next week. We will have a big reveal of what we change and how we're going to travel from now on. So once again, safe travels, you guys. Thanks for supporting us. And
if you have any guesses, comment below. And if you feel like it, throw us a thumbs up, like the video, and hit that notification bell so you get to see what the surprise is next week when we release the reveal.
Yeah. Okay. We'll see you guys later. Safe travels. Bye.